The Japanese love small cars almost as much as we love arcade grabber machines. Every other car in Tokyo is what they call a K car, a special breed of microcars and trucks with strict limits on size, engine capacity and power output. So they cost pennies to run and buy. For some reason, K cars have never been sold out of Japan, but finally, that's about to change. Honda has specially engineered its popular N car for Britain by making it a bit longer, a bit faster, uprating the suspension, adding boost mode, fake gear changes and a racy body kit. Hence the name Super N. It even sounds like an old Integra mixed with 80s video game vibes. Now, if looking at this dinky EV doesn't make you smile, driving one certainly will. It's laugh out loud fun, a black belt at carving through sticky traffic. As for practicality, Super N has adopted the magic rear seats from a Jazz. Flip them down and you can fit a washing machine in the back. Flip them up and you can store tall things like pot plants from B&Q. Now Super N comes with an impressive kit list as standard, all for £19,000 or £199 a month on finance. That's almost half the price of the experimental Honda E from 6 or 7 years ago. Now, like Honda E, the only question mark with Super N is the range. It'll do 128 miles by the official WLTP test, which is more like 100 miles in the real world. That's probably enough for a second car or people who don't stray too far from their own postcode. I think it could probably do with 50 miles more. Tell us what you think in the comments below.